Identifying a rough diamond at home can be challenging, especially since natural diamonds in their uncut form look very different from polished gems. However, with careful observation and some simple tests, you can get a good indication of whether a rough stone is likely to be a diamond. Here are some practical methods. Now, 1. Visual inspection. Shape and surface. Rough diamonds often have an octahedral or cubic shape with uneven surfaces. Unlike glass or quartz, they rarely have smooth, perfect surfaces. Transparency. A genuine rough diamond can range from opaque to slightly translucent. If the stone is completely clear like glass, it may not be a diamond. Color. Most rough diamonds are colorless, light yellow or brown. Extremely bright colors like vivid pink or blue are rare and usually synthetic. 2. Hardness test. Diamonds are the hardest known natural material. They can scratch almost any other material, including glass. Test method. Try scratching a piece of glass with the stone. If it leaves a scratch, it may be a diamond. Be cautious, this can damage softer stones that aren't diamonds. 3. Water test. Diamonds are dense and have high specific gravity. Test method. Fill a glass with water and drop the stone in. A real diamond may sink quickly, while many fake stones float or sink slowly. Keep in mind that other stones can have similar densities. 4. Fog test. Diamonds disperse heat quickly. Test method. Breathe on the stone to create fog. A real diamond will clear up almost instantly, while glass or quartz fogs up for a few seconds longer. 5. UV light test. Some diamonds fluoresce under ultraviolet UV light. Test method. Shine a UV light on the stone in a dark room. Many diamonds will emit a blue glow, although not all diamonds fluoresce. 6. Use household items. Some home tests use oil, salt, or even toothpaste. For example, oil test. Place the stone in a drop of oil. Diamonds have a high refractive index, making them appear almost invisible in oil if real. Salt test. Dissolve a tablespoon of salt in water and drop the stone. A real diamond will usually sink because of its density. 7. Seek expert confirmation. Even with these tests, a rough diamond can be hard to identify accurately at home. Consider taking your stone to a certified gemologist for professional testing and verification. Important notes. Home tests are only indicative. They do not guarantee authenticity. Handle rough stones carefully. They can be sharp or brittle. Avoid harsh chemicals or excessive force that can damage the stone or surfaces. If you want, I can also create a professional 16:9 YouTube thumbnail concept for this article with a rough diamond in hand, making it visually appealing for your channel. This can increase clicks significantly.